Very good afternoon to all of you. It is indeed a matter of pleasure that Commerce and Management Department of this university has extended and widening the horizon in the field of service marketing with today's our eminent speaker, Dr. Raju Rathod, who himself is a person who has gained knowledge not through the books and theories but through his personal experiences. So, in this very important topic, this is one of the need and the hour of the time also. In the field of commerce and management, there are so many new innovation, invention, new strategies came into the existence. And today we all are living in the post-COVID era. And in that era also, even before that era also, the most important factor was services. Because we all do purchase product, but whenever we are purchasing product at that time, we are looking at the service before sale and service after sale. That is more important. This is one of the very important topic chosen by Dr. Dodia, the head of the department, and the able team of Anitaba, Vinit Bhai, and Dinesh Chawda, and all the students of commerce and management. And there are so many other people who have been joined with us through Facebook and YouTube and other channels with us. So I'm not an expert of the topic. Even I don't know much about this topic. But the topic is very interesting. Even if you look at the Indian ancient tradition, and if you go to the Sanskrit literature also, સેવા પરમો ધર્મ. કોઈ પણ વ્યક્તિ જ્યારે સેવા કરે છે, એ સેવા જ્યારે નિસ્વાર્થ હોય છે, તો એ સેવા ઉત્તમ પ્રકારનું પુણ્ય કર્મ પણ આપતી હોય છે. And when you are thinking about the perspective of business and communication, at that time this marketing factor has taken lots of new vistas. I tell you, friends, a person who doesn't have a single car, and then even is the biggest owner of the car, Ola or Uber. In that, a person who doesn't have a single restaurant and giving food to each and everybody's place, Zomato. So the marketing has taken a different role and the shape in that different changing scenario of marketing. And especially the students, those who are living in this Sorat Pradesh, we are very specialized in our hospitality. We are very specialized for our kind nature. We are very specialized for our services. So when we are talking about services, so service is related to each and every product. When we are thinking in that sense, just in the morning I was just looking. I have read that these services can be extended through 7 P's. If you just look at the 7 P's, that services can be extended in a real sense of the marketing strategy. They are product, price, place, and promotion. These 4 are the basic fundamentals of services: product, price, place, and promotion. And later on, 3 other things can be added to that services. These are people, processes, and physical evidences. Because if you look at this model of 7 P's of services, you'll come to know this is entirely a right model of service environment. And if you look at the categories of services, you can see the business services, social services, personal services. There are different levels of services, and all the levels have its own strategy, its own need, and its own implications. So I hope in today's lecture, Mr. Dr. Raju Rathod will try to cover all 7 P's of the service sector. We'll all try to cover all kind of different natures and aspects of services, and this is going to be a very useful tips for future graduates, future market technocrats, to understand the strategy of market, to understand the value and validity of time also. Once again, I congratulate Professor Dodia and the entire team for this wonderful gathering, wonderful selection of the topic, and I am sure this workshop, this talk, and even if you look at the very interesting title was also given, the Adapt talk will definitely meet to the need and the requirement of the student community. Thank you very much.